morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your homes. So today we will study from India's second chapter, article writing. We had studied so many topics in English grammar like tense, modals, direct and indirect, and so many topics. So here we will study today's article writing. What is article writing and how we use article, how we make an article, and what is the main motive to write an article. Okay, tell me which writing part show the facts of events. Which writing part shows the fact of events? It is called article. Article shows the fact of the events. Okay, tell me what is the main motive of to writing an article? To writing an article, the main motive to write an article to inform the pupil about the incident, about the event, to gain knowledge, to give knowledge to the public. Okay, which writing presents information on a variety of themes? Which writing presents information on a variety of themes? It is called article. And from article writing, we will get information on varieties of themes. So let's start. So to more understand this topic, let's start this topic about article writing. Okay children, this is article writing. An article presents information on a variety of themes in a long and sustained piece of writing. It involves a high degree of creativity, a wide range of vocabulary, a thorough knowledge of the subject, and a lot of organizational abilities. Article can be used to describe a person, his life and actions, describe a place, narrate an event, express views on some issues of social interest, express arguments in favor or against a stated hypothesis or event. Format of article, writing an article. Heading, title, eye-catching heading should encapsulate the central theme. Byline, by whom the article is written. Body, 3 to 4 paragraphs. Introduction, the opening paragraph must catch attention, arouse interest of the readers, define the topic, use clear and precise language. Purpose of writing, use facts and show cause-effect relationship. Give examples to support your views. Present arguments in a coherent, logical and convincing manner. Create comparison and contrast. Compare and justify why your views are better. Conclusion, summing up, consolidation of ideas, offering suggestions, measures to improve the situation, personal observations and predictions. Following points should be kept in mind while writing an article. Appropriate vocabulary and grammar, unity, coherence, using the given information, research, planning and quotation. These are the structure and format of an article. So this is your homework. Write down in your English second notebook. Write an article on India's future is in darkness and about 100 to 150 words. So write down in your English second notebook. So have a nice day. Thank you very much.